How to unlink and remove a focus from the lock screen in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your notification center and then press and hold on your screen. Now here you can see the focus option, and then simply click on focus. And if you want to unlink or remove a focus from the lock screen, then simply again click on selected focus. It will be removed or unlink. Click on focus and then again click on selected focus and it will unlink or remove. The another way to remove your focus on your lock screen is open settings and scroll down and click on focus. Now open focus, and if you can choose your lock screen, then simply unchoose your lock screen here. So this is the way to unlink, remove a focus from the lock screen in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.